The other day, I was talking to Paul about this, like the whole
Dr. Paul Saladino.
That's
awesome
right.
Dude. Yep. Okay.
Carnivore MD. And in the whole, hey, we should work smarter, not harder. Like, dude, whoever the fuck said that, they got you real good. Because now you're not doing shit, right? You're the guy who thinks that they can buy their status at the mall. And that you go home and you sit on the couch and you go drive your car and you never really earn anything because you think you're working smarter. But man, if you never really worked hard, if you never really went through those crazy times, there's not a requirement for hard work today. So if your parents don't teach and preach and model that to you, or if it's not self-imposed, that other part of you, that barbarian part of you who says, I don't give a fuck what everybody else is doing. If you never free that barbarian inside of you, if you never let that barbarian get out of its cage and eat the old being, the old fucking Brian Johnson, then you're relegated to a life of what's already sort of been decided for you.